Hello and welcome. I'm the Theory Detective. In these lessons we'll uncover the mystery of music theory. Now, in the last lesson we learned about steps being called seconds, or the interval of a second, and skips being called thirds, or the interval of a third. A step, a step, a skip, another skip. But there are bigger intervals. Let's take a look. Over here we have this A all the way up to that D. If we count it, 1, 2 on the line, 3 on the space, 4 on the line. So this is an interval of a fourth. That's pretty big. Let's hear that together. A to D. And you could have one after the other as well, like the D up to this G. This would also be a fourth. 1, 2, 3 on the space, 4 on the line. So that would be D to G, a fourth as well. And then you can also have a fifth. These would be even larger. Like from here to here, we have a G to the D, counting G, A, B, C, D. G to D would be a fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, I'm going to identify that. There's our fifth. And then over here, this is also a fourth. And from here to here, this is our fifth. From E to B, here's your E, F, G, A, B, or 1, 2, 3, 4 on the space, 5 the B. So there's our fifth. Listen to the fourth again. Here's the A to D, fourth, and then the G to D, fifth. That's even bigger. Here's our, let's do D to G, and G to C, and then E to B is our fifth. And these are actually written one after another. These are stacked, so they would be blocked or harmonically together, harmonic. However, these are one after another, so these would be melodic. This one, then that one. I want you to hear how they sound together. So this is apart, and this is together. But this one is written as melodically, or one, then the other. Okay. And then last, if you have the exact same note, like from A to A, or not the exact same, the same letter name, like from A to A or G to G, that would be an octave. Because you would count 8, because there's 7 letters in the musical alphabet, and then you have to add 8 for the note to be the same letter name. So A to A is an octave, F to F is an octave, E to E is an octave, G to G is an octave, C to C is an octave. Listen to the way it sounds one at a time. Those are blocked or harmonically. Now let's do melodically, or broken up, melodically. So here's our C, and then up to C. Here's our E, and then up to E. Here's our A, and then up to A. So those would be like from F to F. That would be an octave. I'm going to put OCT. And then from E to E, that would be octave, OCT. There we are. Okay, let's take out the flashcards. Here we have a fourth, the interval of a fourth. The distance between two notes, we're counting, you come up to 4. And you have a fifth, The distance between two notes, we're counting, you come up to 5. And finally, the octave. And you go all the way to 8. So we have unison, which is actually the same note. We have seconds, which are steps, whether whole steps, larger, or half steps, smaller. We have thirds, which are also skips, which sound very harmonious. Then we have fourths, which are a little bit bigger, from a space to a line or a line to a space. And we have fifths, which are even bigger, a line to a line, or space to a space. Practice them all as much as you can until they become very easy, and as always, have a great day.